Landfroms Transform CIC. Read carefully, answer the questions, and prove your answers. Number 1. Where is the longest chain of barrier islands located? A. Along the East Coast. B. From Kansas to Kentucky. C. Along the West Coast. D. Along the border of Texas. Number 2. The word from paragraph 8 that has the same meaning as rapid is A. Crust, B. Cracks, C. Small, D. Fast. Number 3. Which of the following is the best summary of this passage? A. Volcanoes cause rapid landform changes that destroy land with lava and ash. Volcanic eruptions can last hours, weeks, or years. B. Our Earth has many different landforms. These features can be changed by events in nature, such as volcanoes, earthquakes, and weathering. C. Weathering is the process of breaking rocks apart. After rocks have been broken down, they are moved. This is called erosion. D. Floods can quickly change the land. Big storms can drop heavy rain on the land. Number 4. What is paragraph 9 mainly about? A. A volcano can quickly change Earth's surface. B. Our Earth has many different shapes or landforms. C. A plateau is a flat surface with high, steep sides. D. There are times when changes happen to Earth's surface. Number 5. This selection was most likely written to A. Describe what to do if you are in an earthquake. B. Tell about Earth's landforms and how they change. C. Encourage people to take care of the Earth. D. Show that landforms slowly change Earth's surface. Number 6. What is the meaning of the word erosion in paragraph 7? A. The breaking up of rocks. B. To blow away. C. The movement of rock and soil. D. To melt slowly. Number 7. What process slowly turns rock to soil? A. Earthquake. B. Weathering. C. Erosion. D. Fold. 8. In paragraph 3, the word carved means the same as A. Scraped, B. Sliced, C. Opened, D. Cut. Number 9. Read the chart and use it to answer the question. Cause. Rivers cannot hold the water. Effect. You need to find the effect. Which sentence belongs in the blank lines? A. Rivers overflow and cause flooding. B. Water drops sand near the shore. C. Rivers wear away rocks and form valleys. D. A canyon forms in a low area. Number 10. Which sentence from the passage shows that lava is a liquid? A. Lava and ash build up around the opening to form a mountain. B. A volcanic eruption can last hours, days, weeks, or even years. C. Rivers wear away rock and form valleys. D. Clouds of ash and liquid rock called lava rise and cover the area around the volcano. Number 11. Which text feature can the reader use to identify the main idea of the passage? A, name of magazine. B, name of author. C, title of article. D, date of article. Number 12. Use the chart below to answer the question that follows. Causes of landform changes. Slow changes, weathering, erosion. Fast changes, blank, earthquake, volcano. Which of the following should be added to the list? A, plateau. B, barrier island. C, flood. D, plain. Make sure you have answered every answer, and you may prove all your answers, then you may turn it in.